Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Vega helmet visor. First, make sure your helmet is clean and ready. Find a soft, stable spot to work, like a towel on a table, to protect your helmet from any accidental marks. Then, take a moment to locate the pivot mechanisms on both the left and right sides of your helmet's visor. These are the key points where the visor attaches and rotates. Vega helmets often feature a user-friendly quick-release system for their visors. Look closely at the side plates, right where the visor pivots, for a small lever, button, or tab. These are designed for easy access. While many Vega models allow for tool-free removal, a few might need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin object to gently assist the mechanism. Always check your specific model's design. To detach the visor, first, open it all the way up until it's fully extended. Now, carefully engage the release mechanism on one side. You might hear a small click as it disengages. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Once both sides are released, gently pull the visor straight away from the helmet. It should come off smoothly with minimal effort, so avoid forcing it. When you're ready to put the visor back on, align the tabs on the visor with the corresponding slots on the helmet's pivot mechanism. Push firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place on both sides. After reinstallation, always test the visor's movement to ensure it operates smoothly. For cleaning, use only mild soap and water with a soft cloth to maintain clarity and prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.